Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to repair your credit in just 30 days. You've been struggling with a low credit score. This step-by-step plan is designed to help you regain control of your financial future. By following these proven strategies, you can improve your credit score and unlock opportunities for financial freedom. Let's break it down day by day. Day 1 is all about understanding your credit report. Obtain your free credit report from major bureaus like Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Review it carefully for errors. Incorrect accounts or late payments can severely impact your score. On day 2, focus on disputing any inaccuracies you found. Contact the credit bureau online or via mail and provide evidence of the errors. Be sure to keep a record of all correspondence. This process may take time, but it is essential for improving your score. By day 3, it's time to assess your current debts. List all your accounts, including balances and payment statuses. Understanding where you stand is crucial in devising an effective repayment strategy. On day 4, create a budget. Allocate funds for debt repayment while ensuring you cover your essential living expenses. A clear budget will help you stay on track as you work towards improving your credit. Day 5 is about making payments on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders for all your bills to avoid late payments, which can significantly damage your credit score. Timely payments are one of the most important factors in credit scoring. On day 6, consider paying down your credit card balances. Aim to reduce your credit utilization ratio to below 30%. If possible, pay off high-interest accounts first to save money in the long run. Day 7 involves reaching out to creditors. If you're struggling to make payments, contact them to discuss possible payment plans or hardship programs. Many creditors are willing to work with you to prevent default. As we move into the second week, Day 8 focuses on becoming an authorized user. Ask a family member or friend with good credit if you can be added to their credit card account. This can help boost your credit score if they maintain a low balance and make payments on time. On day 9, explore secured credit cards. These cards require a cash deposit as collateral and are an excellent way to rebuild credit. Use them responsibly and pay off the balance in full each month to see positive effects on your credit score. By day 10, review your progress. Check your credit score to see if your actions are having the desired effect. Don't be discouraged if results aren't immediate. Credit repair takes time and consistency. Moving into the second half of the month, day 11 emphasizes maintaining low credit card balances. Avoid making large purchases on credit cards to keep your utilization low. This step is vital for ongoing improvement. On day 12, consider credit counseling. Nonprofit organizations can offer guidance and resources to help you understand your credit situation and develop a plan. By day 13, continue to monitor your credit report. Regularly check for updates and new information that could affect your score. Staying informed is key. On day 14, create an action plan for any remaining debts. Prioritize paying off the highest interest debts first, while maintaining minimum payments on others. This approach helps you save money over time. Now, as we approach the end of the month, day 15 encourages positive credit behavior. Avoid taking on new debt and focus on building a solid credit history with consistent, responsible use of credit. By day 16, take advantage of credit-building apps and tools that can help track your progress and remind you of due dates. On day 17, review your financial goals. As your credit improves, think about your long-term goals, whether it's buying a home or starting a business. Days 18 through 24 should be focused on maintaining a positive financial attitude. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who understand your journey and can help you stay motivated. On day 25, revisit your credit report to ensure your disputes have been resolved and your score is improving. Days 26 to 30 should be spent reinforcing the habits you've developed. Continue to monitor your credit, make timely payments, and avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, consistency is key in this process. Repairing your credit in 30 days is not only possible, but also empowers you to achieve financial freedom. By following this step-by-step guide, you can take control of your credit and open doors to new opportunities. Stay committed. and watch your financial future transform.